welcome back to a new day in my life. So today is a holiday, Guru Gobind Singh ka birthday hai, and I felt like cooking something today. So I bought a little stuff for cooking, and I don't know how to adjust all those stuff. I'm thinking to cook something very soft, very light, very simple, and very healthy. Maybe not healthy. Yeah, but a routine diet. Yeah, because I'm fed up eating food from outside. So today, let's cook something. There are days when I don't eat junk the entire day, and I feel very happy because since morning, everything I have eaten is fruits, fruits, and fruits. And now I'll eat this amla, very good thing to eat. So till then, bye guys. See you in the evening when I'll cook something not like a professional cook, but a little lighter on the side. Maybe I'll go out to the temple today in the evening. If I go there, I'll show you guys.
6.5 hours later.
So this is the temple of my hospital. It is very small and cute. Hi, I'm back. So it's evening time and let's start cooking as per promised. So I'm thinking to make some typical vrat wale aloo potatoes. So let's start. So our vessel is warm enough to pour the oil in it. Please don't comment, "Oh, itna sara tel." It's okay. Now let's add some chili and ginger to it and stir it for some time. Now let's add a little pink salt to this. Here I have 4 finely chopped potatoes. Let me add them in this and leave them for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Maybe more, maybe less. Depends on how fast it cooks. I just realized that I'm cooking today after like months, and although I'm not cooking something very special, very grand, but cooking is very therapeutic for me at times and I like it. The potatoes are done and yes, तेल ज़्यादा हो गया guys. कोई बात नहीं, ड्रेन कर देंगे बाद में. ऐसे ही होता है when you cook after a very 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 long time, so अंदाज़ा नहीं होता. Now this is the extra oil. These are 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Now let's add them and stir them and leave them to cook until this turns into a very puree-like consistency. It's turned into a puree. Now let's add 2 or 3 lemons to it. A little oregano and chili flakes would add to the flavor. It's done. So I'll have this with curd. Potato is one of my favorite vegetables and I love eating potatoes in all different formats, be it french fries or vegetables or this or puree, anything and everything. I can eat potato every day. So that's all for our today's vlog guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you tomorrow at 6:32 p.m. Till then, bye, take care, good night.